thankfully, they have a handful of fishermen that provide them with local fish on a daily basis. So I know I can come here and get local fish. My favorite fish sandwich on the island would be rockfish on raisin bread with tartar sauce. Sometimes I may put sliced cheese on top of it.
Welcome to Bermuda! Let us to Foodies, the best fish sandwich on the island. Fish sandwich on the island because you got the island vibe with the best island people, the best people in the world.
Cheers!
Cheers.